From export terminals to power generation, from chemical plants to shipping fleets, Nikkiso keeps ammonia flowing safely. We have the depth of experience and expertise to keep innovating to meet growing ammonia handling demands. We're proud to add 2 new cutting-edge ammonia pumps to our range, both optimized for a variety of applications, designed for unmatched durability and performance. Each pump features a flood-clean filtration system that eliminates fluid contamination, ensuring long-term protection for high-performance components. A shaft line with 3 solid ceramic bearings and specially designed wear rings last 3 times longer, requiring minimal maintenance. A balanced drum design cancels axial thrust for longer component life. Copper-free motor windings resist ammonia corrosion, enabling safe internal fluid cooling, eliminating the need for an external gaseous nitrogen line. And our vibration sensors live within the pump housing for more accurate monitoring. Every detail is engineered for operational safety. We're by your side every step of the way, making maintenance safer, faster and easier. Copper-free connections and double-sealed cable feed-throughs resist corrosion and ensure fully hermetic power feed and instrumentation signal transmission. A sealless design guarantees complete environmental containment, even under extreme conditions. And our unique foot valve hermetic lock system ensures our pumps are ammonia-free on removal. Nikkiso ammonia pumps set a new global standard. With expertise and availability across the world, we're here to help you operate efficiently and responsibly. We're ready to protect your assets, ready to support your people, ready to move ammonia.